President-elect Donald Trump is set to be inaugurated for his second term on Monday, and immigrant rights groups in Washington are preparing for his return to the White House.
Fox 13 reporter Neil Wong explains why they're asking for some help from specific groups.
On a coalition call led by Northwest Immigrant Rights Project.
The Washington state constitution protects everyone, regardless of their immigration status.
Multiple immigrant and human rights organizations are calling on stronger protections in Washington for immigrants and refugees, even those with criminal records.
Regardless of their past, every person deserves the opportunity to rebuild their life.
President-elect Trump has been vocal in his support of mass deportations, and local coalition partners are asking Governor Bob Ferguson and Attorney General Nick Brown to enact reforms.
First, we ask our governor to adopt reforms to expedite the pardon process and for those pardons that are granted to be valid for immigration purposes.
Those state legislators passed a landmark sanctuary law in 2019 called Keep Washington Working. Advocates say this needs to be updated.
We urge the governor to strengthen the Keep Washington Working law by ordering the Department of Corrections to cease cooperating with Immigration's Customs Enforcement.
Miriam Oliver with the Black Prisoners Caucus believes the need for these reforms is urgent, highlighting prisoner deaths at the Northwest Detention Center in Tacoma, such as Charles Leo Daniel, who died there in 2024.
We stand in solidarity with all immigrants. Not because of any political divide, but because they are humans. We are humans. We are a community.
In a letter dated nearly a month ago, these requests for executive actions were made known to Governor Ferguson and Washington lawmakers like Senator Rebecca Saldana.
We must stand in solidarity and make sure that in this state of Washington, people have a fair chance to live with dignity and respect without fear of our state colluding with unfair and broken systems.
A spokesperson for Governor Ferguson says he plans to respond to the letter later this week.
We ask that our leaders remain strong against threats to democracy, and we will continue to hold our Washington leaders accountable to take action when the federal government oversteps vital protections enshrined in our state and in our Constitution.